What's up, guys, and welcome back to Organizing Spices. My name is Ashley for those of you who are new, and on this channel we talk about home organization, home decor, and home interior styling. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make your bed look more luxurious. So let's get into the video. So with everyone still sheltering in place, you can't get to those fancy hotels and everything like we were able to before. So I thought that I would start making my bedroom feel more like a hotel room. So every now and again, it feels like we just got away. So step one to make your bed look more luxurious is the foundation. We always want to start with a good foundation. It is the thing that makes everything better. So the foundation for this will be your mattress protector. So you always want to protect your mattresses from any human fluids or stains and all that other kind of stuff. So we started with a mattress protector. So tip number 2 for making your bed feel more luxurious is your sheets. Your sheets are very important in this step because it's the part that touches your skin the most, and you want them to feel really soft, really luxurious. Some of them have cooling technologies in them now. So whatever your preference is and whatever makes you feel most comfortable are the sheets that you would like to go with. In this styling video, I went with an 800 thread count sheet. I'll have the link for those sheets listed below if you are interested. So I sometimes like to iron my sheets. It doesn't happen regularly, but every blue moon when I'm feeling a little razzle-dazzly, I'll go ahead and I'll iron my sheets out so that when I get in the bed, there's not a wrinkle in sight. So here for this styling video, I have ironed the sheets to the best of my ability. It was a lot of sheet. A lot of sheet. So after my sheets are on the bed, I do not tuck my sheets right away. So I'll go ahead and I'll add the blanket. My husband sleeps hot and I normally sleep cold. So we have layers of bedding on our bed. So I will go ahead and in this step, I will add my blanket, the blanket of choice, whether it is a heavier blanket in the winter, which we are in now, or a lighter blanket in the spring and summer months because we live in Arizona and it gets hot as you know what over here. So instead of using a comforter for this step, I opt to use a blanket because it's a little bit lighter. My husband sleeps hotter and I sleep more cold, so it is the perfect balance for the both of us. So I will start with this blanket and I will match it up to where I have placed the fitted sheet, and I will pull it all the way down. And in this step, I will tuck. And of course, you can't do a bed styling video without those hospital corners. So in this video, my husband decided that he wanted to compete with my hospital corners. So on one side, I have placed my hospital corners, as you can see. And then on the other side, my husband decided to compete and he did his hospital corner. So if you have made it this far in the video, I would love it if you guys would comment down below and said, who has the best hospital corners? Husband or wife? Ashley or Rashad? No judgment here, but you better pick mine. So in this step, I like to fold down the blanket and the fitted sheet. And at this point, I will finish tucking the blanket. Yeah, it's a blanket. So at this point, I will finish tucking the blanket all around the bed and give it a good tight tuck and smooth out as many wrinkles, if there are any, as possible. So in this next step, I have placed the base pillows, and they are satin pillowcases. My husband and I are black, if you cannot tell. And we sleep on satin for our hair and skin. Our hair is very curly, so it keeps our hair from drying out because I do not sleep with a head rag on all the time. So after placing the base pillowcases or pillows down, I will go ahead and move to my duvet. I also ordered this duvet from Amazon. I will have it linked below. So I will lay down my duvet cover. I will not fold it yet because I have a comforter that I put on top of that just it's like kind of like a dust comforter for me. It's dusty here in Arizona, so it's to protect my linens. So I will place a dust comforter on top of my duvet cover, and then I will do a fold. There are many folds you can choose, pick yours. My preference is the double fold. It makes the bed look super big, super puffy, super comfy, and it is my favorite fold. After this step, I will go ahead and move into my decorative pillows. We do not sleep with all of these pillows, but I prefer them on my bed. The bed is so big, I feel like I need to fill them with pillows. So in this step, I will load my bed with as many pillows as I can fit without it looking tacky. And then after that, I will go ahead and I will move into my throw cover. I've decided to change out our covers for the springtime, and so we've gone with more neutrals. I've still decided to keep my base color, which is purple slash lavender eggplant. It's my husband's favorite color. And since he did not get to choose anything else in this house, I have, compromised in the area of allowing him to pick the color for our bedroom. So now that I've placed my throw, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as much as I have making it for you. I hope these tips help you when it comes to making your bed feel more luxurious. I know that they have helped me make my bedroom feel more luxurious since I am not staying in any hotels at the moment. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.